Let's get real. Every time you go online, your data is out there for the world to see. Whether it's your ISP, advertisers, or even hackers, someone's always watching. That's where a VPN comes in to save the day. Today I'm breaking down NordVPN, one of the most trusted names in online security. We'll go over how to set it up step by step, what makes it stand out, and even compare it with a few competitors to help you decide if it's worth the hype. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Ready? Let's dive in. What's a VPN and why do you need one? Let's start with the basics. A VPN, virtual private network, creates a secure encrypted connection between your device and the internet. Think of it as a tunnel that keeps your data safe from prying eyes. Here's why it's a must-have. Privacy protection. Your browsing data stays private even from your internet provider. Access anywhere. Watch shows, access websites, or use restricted apps in your region. Public Wi-Fi safety. Perfect for keeping your information secure when you're on public networks. Money-saving hack. Changing your virtual location can help you snag deals on flights, hotels, and even software subscriptions. Setting up NordVPN, a no-stress guide. Getting started with NordVPN is quick and easy. Here's how to do it. Sign up, visit the NordVPN website, check the description for the link, and pick a plan. The longer-term plans are usually the best deal. Download the app. Whether you're on a laptop, phone, or tablet, NordVPN has apps for all platforms. You can even use it on your smart TV or router. Log in, use the account details you set up, and you're good to go. Choose your server. For the fastest option, hit Quick Connect or select a specific country from their network of over 5,600 servers in 60 countries. And just like that, you're protected. How does NordVPN work in real life? Let's get into some practical examples so you can see how useful NordVPN really is. Example 1. Streaming blockbusters. Imagine you're on a business trip in Asia, but want to catch your favorite US-based Hulu series. Just connect to a US server, refresh your browser, and boom, you've got access. Example 2. Shopping smarter. Say you're booking a flight and the prices seem steep. Use NordVPN to connect to a server in another country, and you might find cheaper deals, sometimes saving you hundreds of dollars. Example 3. Staying secure at the coffee shop. You're working remotely at a cafe connected to public Wi-Fi. Without a VPN, your data is vulnerable to hackers. With NordVPN, everything is encrypted, keeping your sensitive info safe. Why NordVPN over other VPNs? The VPN world is crowded with options like ExpressVPN, Surfshark, and CyberGhost, but NordVPN holds its own. Here's why. Speed matters. Thanks to its NordLynx protocol, NordVPN delivers some of the fastest connection speeds out there, beating even top competitors like ExpressVPN. Double encryption. NordVPN's Double VPN encrypts your data twice for extra security. Most other VPNs don't offer this feature. Streaming friendly. Unlike competitors struggling with streaming platforms, NordVPN reliably unblocks Netflix, Disney+, and more. More servers, more options. With 5,600 plus servers, NordVPN gives you more flexibility than most VPNs, including Surfshark and CyberGhost. Bang for your buck. While Surfshark is cheaper, NordVPN gives you better speeds and more advanced security features, making it a better long-term investment. Pros and cons of NordVPN. No tool is perfect, so here's a quick breakdown of NordVPN's strengths and weaknesses. The pros: lightning fast speeds, perfect for streaming and gaming. Massive server network with locations worldwide. Advanced security features including threat protection and dark web monitoring. User-friendly apps for all devices. The cons: it's not the cheapest VPN, but the quality justifies the cost. Some servers can get busy during peak times, but switching to another is easy. Should you get NordVPN? So is NordVPN the right pick for you? If you're serious about online security, love streaming content from around the globe, or want to save money while shopping online, the answer is a big yes. And if you're still unsure, remember that they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it out without any risk. That's a wrap on our NordVPN breakdown. This guide gave you a better idea of what it offers and how to make the most of it. If you're ready to give NordVPN a shot, check the links in the description to get started. Do you have questions or want to share your experience with VPNs? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to ComTechpedia, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe out there.